Hiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. And now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Tapos ang isa pa na component nung isyung yan, yung pilit na paghihiwalay ng what is intentional, imagination, motive, no? Napag-usapan na natin to difference ng motive at intention. Kasi yung intention yan yung motivation yan ay. Pero sa galaw ng buhay, hindi naghihiwalay yung intention.
Kainara, may question ako sa'yo. Just sa sinabi mong yan, is it the same principle that we use sa libel cases?
Yon. Diyan nga nagkakaroon ng complication when you use legal principle. Kasi sa legal, mag-iiba yung motive saka yung sa lalo na sa mga kaso, vital yung establishing of, no? Kaya kita mo miski yung gusto kitang patayin, hindi necessarily I'm already committing murder or homicide. Kasi gusto ko pa nang ikaw patayin until after na o subukan kong patayin ka, doon pa lang ako nagkakaroon ng criminal case eh. So yung intent napakahalaga sa usaping legal. Pero yun nga sa practical na pumapasok ulit yung basic na conflict between what is moral and what is legal. Not on yung general truth of a society, saka yung debatable truth. Yung parang ano bang tawag yan? Relative, no? Relative truth. Parating nagbabago yung anyo niya kung sino ang nagsalita. Pero hindi totoo kasi activity ng definition at ng context. So, tingin ko yung kailangan balansehin nag-uusapan. Kasi kung hindi, it can set another generation and na ito na yung paniniwala. Ganito yan, Philcas. Nung panahon na malinaw ang mali, ang lahat ng henerasyon yun. Pero nung ng crisis doon sa mali ba talaga siya? O nagbibiro lang? O parang bahagi na ng lengguwahe. So suddenly, the following generation will treat pagmumura as not necessarily mali. So until another generation na wala nang mali sa pagmumura, lahat ng ipapanganak.
Oh. So parang sinasabi niyo po you're touching base on the generational aspect nitong sitwasyon na 'to. Kung hindi siya siguro kokontrolin or tatapusin, pwede pa siyang mag-continue. Sa totoo lang, what you actually said is perfectly correct. Yun ang nakikita ng mga bata What they see on the older generations, that's how they do it. I think lang ang nagiging mali lang dito is that may mga tao na they try to explain it the way they want to explain it, na marami ang naiimpluwensyahan. The other way around din, parang gano'n. And I think na this kuwentuhan na ginagawa natin, nabibigyan natin ng linaw either or, they believe on us or not. They can say na merong other opinions. Kasi naniniwala ako sa sinabi niyo kanina, it's subjective and objectivity. And also, not all morality is legal and not all legal can be assumed to be moral. I think na malaking importansya yun, especially we are geared towards social media. Kasi sa social media, lahat open, lahat sinasabi, lahat ng mura, nandyan. Actually, lahat na nga subjective na doon 'di ba? Kung hindi mo lang titignan, 'di ba? Yan yung nakikita natin sa social media and I think that's how our culture, our new generation now is being geared towards na it's mostly what is appealing to emotion is a lot better than what is logically correct, I think. if I'm not mistaken.